how to turn on or turn off live caption on your mobile phone. Now this is really simple, so if you are new to this channel, just go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Now let's begin. First, what you want to do is just go to your settings. Let me just go to the initial page of settings. Okay, so now I'm on my settings. You need to go there too. Now scroll down till you find accessibility. It's under the general section. So go to accessibility. Now if you scroll down a bit more, you should be seeing a live caption under hearing right there. Let's go to live caption. As you can see, it's not turned on in mine. So now if you want to turn it on, just turn it on. And if you don't want to turn it on, you can just turn it off. So that is pretty much it. That is how you turn on and turn off live captions on your iPhone, or this even works on your Android. All you need to do is, if you don't find it on accessibility or your settings, just go to your settings and just go to the search bar and type for live captions and you'll get it right there. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned. Bye.